So this accidentally ran into a part 2 unboxing, but the Neotech chainsaw comes with the chainsaw blade in a little box. Comes with a cover. Trying to do this one-handed. Little Neotech bar. Comes with a fuel mixing jug that you might not be able to see real good. There you go. With the ounces written on it. Comes with a little funnel. This is actually the saw. To be honest with you, it doesn't look any lesser quality than your higher dollar name brand. I mean, that looks cheap right there, but other than that, I mean, it pretty much looks a lot the same. This handle looks like it was 3D printed. But overall, for what it is, just something emergency to put in the truck in case one of mine mess up. I mean, not too bad. Comes with a little Phillips head, multi-ended tool. Something I'm very surprised about. It comes with a chain file. Comes with 2 Allen wrenches, T-handles, and a screwdriver. Not bad. Little bag to put it all in. $149. I mean, honestly, that's a throwaway saw. But if it gets me out of a bind one day, I'm happy about it.